What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're well. We're finally looking at Bepro again. It's been about a week. We managed to get to 20 likes. Let's push for 40 likes on this video. What we were talking about the last time we were watching Bepro is obviously it reclaiming this key support. I think actually this key support here, this green one, because it was a higher low. But I think now we've gone lower and I'm going to show you why. We were speaking about it in the video here. We had this large impulse down, retracement into the 55. And so you should expect continuation unless you're creating the reversal wave. The reversal wave is created if you pump above this gold box and confirm it as support. But as long as you're below it, you should anticipate further downside. And that is basically what we explained last week on Bepro. Let's take a look. Big impulse down. The move up is against the trend. The trend is down, shown by this. You're going against the trend, correcting, refueling, putting petrol in the car, refueling the rockets before continuation. There you go, guys. So that is what we saw. I'll bring you over to the Bepro chart right now. Let's close that. And we can see we pumped into this resistance. We didn't go any further. You didn't see any closes above this orange line as well as this orange box. But yeah, the area is this orange box, the golden pocket, the 050 to the 0618. We measured this whole impulse down. And so this was the retracement before continuation. So now that we've topped out right there, I can get you bearish targets. If you want to flip this bullish, there's still chances of doing so. You need to hold this low. This was the low I spoke about in that last update. We cannot afford to close below 0.00303465 because if we're doing so, the bottom is not in. At the moment, it is. We're seeing this across some cryptos like XRP, like Quant, like BNB and Matic, and there's many more, even Ethereum. After all this dumping since the merge, it's still bottomed out. It's still creating higher highs and higher lows. And so the same thing is happening here with Bepro. We're still holding this low. That is what you need to do if you don't want to see this downside. This downside is now what should happen. Remember, I just showed you a video. That is what should happen if you fail to get above this. However, there is one off chance this goes bullish. And this off chance is not what should happen. What should now happen is because we rejected this, we should make a lower low. However, if we were to actually just hold above this green box, this green line over here, just somehow close above this, it will give us opportunity to creep back up. I'm not saying from here, that's just where the current candle is. I'm just saying if you close above this, at some point you're going to come back up and try and break above this. And if you can do so, amazing. However, that's not what should be at the front of our minds. At the front of our minds is what we just spoke about at the beginning of today's video. Impulse, refuel the rockets, fill up the car with petrol before continuing your journey to the destination. So let me get you some bearish targets. If this were to happen, I can finally get rid of this because I still have my gold pocket showing me this is a valid resistance. Not only was the golden pocket and the 55 there, also this 1414. If you're staying below this, you should expect the larger 1618, which we still haven't met. Why? Because we're holding that green line. Now I will get you your bearish targets. If we lose this green line, short-term targets will be 0.00088769. Worst case, in this, when I say worst case, I don't mean the final dump. I mean out of this pump over here against the trend, the furthest it should go down before like any pumps, because we're going down, that's the trend. You won't see any corrective phases until either here or here. It's kind of hard to explain, but what I mean is this is the retracement, this is our pump, this is the retracement before continuation. Your continuation can stop here or go all the way down to here. So that's what I mean by worst case, but you can pump again and then go lower. You just need that pump first. So this is what I mean by at the moment in this wave down, that's the lowest you can go. Once you pump up, if you're not reclaiming these certain levels, then there could be further downside. I'm going to be here along the way. Make sure to check out my Bitcoin videos. Check out today's Bitcoin update. If you haven't heard about Quant, go check out Quant, it's vital. There's also some key points that I want to speak about in today's update, which is that I'm doing a crazy offer at the moment, a mega sale. I'm doing a 50% discount for the moment on my course. It is currently £300, but now with this 50% off until Monday, it is now £150. If you want more information on this, I can go into briefly, but if you want more information, just private message me to get started. But briefly, there's 30 videos of that's 6 hours long. We go through psychology, mindset. You don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. All the tools that you need to become a self-sufficient trader, someone that doesn't need any outside guidance once it's all learned. All the information is in this course, so there doesn't need to be further research. Okay, it's all compiled into this 30 video course, and again, you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. I even go into the history of Forex, so you can get a basic understanding on currency exchanging, and then we move over to advanced, obviously beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading, Forex and crypto. But yeah, it's mainly crypto focused. I do go over my crypto portfolio, and also included in this price is the Discord group chat, completely free until my bull market targets. Not only this, there's of course loads of strategies that I learned, but also strategies that I came up with by myself through the 4 years of experience in this market. I also had to go through £10,000 of good courses, bad courses, scams, and of course good mentorship as well. That is how much it cost me to get to the information, and the amount of time, 4 years, to get to all the information I have today. I've taught well over 30 students. If you want to join, you know what to do. Just head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, and we'll get you started with this 50% discount on the course. Thank you guys.